Okay, what we're doing now in the first step is we are adding a petroleum-based gel to the bladder itself. That way it does not adhere to the sleeve of the bladder protectant. And again, don't be shy with it, load it right on there, because this will prevent any epoxy that goes through the bladder protectant and tries to stick to the bladder. It'll prevent it from doing that. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're putting the bladder that has been covered in the petroleum-based product back inside the bladder protectant sleeve. Hang on, hold on, right behind the bush. A little rough to get back in, but you just got to work at it, and it will go back in there. Okay, good. Okay. Yep. And what we have done is we pre-fit the bladder inside the bladder protectant sleeve, and we pre-marked with a Sharpie where we want the metal ring to be, as you can see right there. And what we're going to do is once we lube up the bladder protectant, is we're going to put zip ties on the end of it. So when we pull the bladder back, it's going to turn inside out, still stay attached to the bladder protectant, and then pull the bladder protectant sleeve out. Alright, so what we're doing now is we have removed the separator from the two-part epoxy, and we are, or I am, mixing it. Now what we want it to do is we want it to turn like a milky brown. That'll indicate when the epoxy is all together. Now this epoxy it dries quicker when it's in a large mass form. So when you pour it out onto the bag, you don't have to be, when you pour it onto the liner, you do not have to be in a hurry, because the more you spread it, the longer it takes to adhere. Explain what you did there, Jason? No? What Jason has done here on the patch, the fiberglass patch, is he has pre-folded the patch to form a 2-foot patch and marked the center line on the bladder to indicate where we exactly want the patch to be on the bladder. And again, we're just going to make sure that we've got a nice mixture. Give me that thing.
Cut?
Yep. Jason is a professional bag cutter, so don't try this at home.
Not too professional by the looks.
A good slice.
Like he did. Perfect. Hold on to that.
Make sure everything's level. I don't know if you need some more.
Probably need some on this end. A little bit.
I got this part right now. Control that. Alright, good. Okay, mark both sides. Was that the side we want up? Shiny side was up first, then they flipped it.
Yeah.
I think we should overlap that a little bit.
Yeah, that's overlapped.
That's going to be exposed on the top.
Okay, now set this onto our in the center.
Actually, I'm going to want to roll it up like a burrito.
Right. That's our center. You're gonna get an edge right there, probably. Oh no, this up way like this.
You just play it. Right?
Don't get that
No,
on your hands. You can get it on your hands.
That's alright. Oh, that's not one, is it? I'm gonna go right here.
How many do you have?
I think we have 4. Let's double check.
I'd go each end first then. Each end first, then use your.
Will those break? Is that what happens?
Yeah, the low pressure zip tie.
So the zip ties are going to hold it on?
Yep, while we slide it down in there, then when we blow it up,
Those zip ties
They
will
break.
break.
Yeah.
the low pressure. Alright, I got another one.
You got any more? Or? I think they only come with 3, Bill.
One
Alright,
more.
Where we do?
Right on the plastic.
Oh, we got one more. We got 4. So you just carry
I'm gonna set this in the hole over there.
Yeah. Yeah, cut those off. Hey, hold on.
Jesus Christ. No, I don't like it. Don't shove too hard, bud. Yeah, because they go into a straight piece of pipe. You gotta get that past that Y. Hold on, let me get a new pair. Is it going in?
Yeah, oh yeah, you got it almost all the way in. Some stuff come off, but I don't think that's really gonna. Matter right now with dry gloves, we have a good oh no, we need to get a good connection right here.
Grab a hold of the bottom of that.
There's our back. Without the patch on it.